the shamrock, the harp, and the Celtic cross. I have arrived in Ireland. This is the capital, Dublin. The iconic monument of Dublin is stainless steel spire. Look at it. It's 120 meters tall, and it's right in the center of the capital, in the heart of the city. The oldest city in Ireland, Dublin. That's how the Irish pronounce the name of the capital. Dates back to 140 AD. This city is old. Look, this is the center of the capital. It's the most popular of all Irish cities. I found a real estate agency. Dublin is an expensive city in terms of real estate, much more than everywhere else, or even in Romania. Here are the prices. It's very likely that when you're looking for a rental home, you'll be asked for references from your last rental place, or a recommendation from a fellow countryman, a friend, or a relative. An expensive city in terms of real estate. The bridges. One of the interesting bridges in Dublin has a length equal to its width. Built in 1863 to replace a wooden bridge at that time. During rush hours, streets in Dublin are crowded. It creates truly monstrous traffic jams. I'll show them to you later. One of the few cities in the world declared by UNESCO as a city of literature. Writers like Oscar Wilde, you'll see his place later, or Bram Stoker, the one who wrote Dracula, and also James Joyce, Samuel Beckett, George Bernard Shaw, and many others lived here, in the capital of Ireland, in Dublin. And here is Dublin Castle, one of the tourist attractions of the city. A government establishment, that's what they call it. There are several institutions in this area. But especially tourist attraction. But I've arrived at one of the most important tourist attractions in Dublin, St. Peter's Cathedral. Patrick. It was founded in 1191 as a Roman Catholic cathedral, and is now the national cathedral of the Church of Ireland. Here are posters asking children to participate in the church's activities. The cathedral was built in memory of the patron saint of Ireland, St. Patrick baptized, first locals here. It's a major tourist destination, the largest place of worship in Ireland. If you remember Jonathan Swift, he wrote Gulliver's Travels. Remember those childhood stories. Jonathan Swift was the rector of this cathedral from 1713 to 1745, and he is buried right here. Until 1745, he is buried right here. Who is it?